The oceans connect us all. It's frightening to think that we can come to this remote, undeveloped, 80-mile stretch of shoreline in the middle of the Pacific and find it covered in plastic. Literally, tons and tons of plastic waste from cities all over the world.
The theme of the Bruges Triennial is Liquid City. When the organizers of the event approached us, they asked us to create a piece that kind of captured this idea. And it was really interesting to think about the plastic waste that we produce in our cities that ends up in the liquid city, the ocean. The piece that we're building in Bruges, skyscraper, or the Bruges Whale, is roughly 4,000 square feet of plastic.
But even that much plastic is only just a dent in the amount that washes ashore.
We've been working with the Hawaii Wildlife Fund to coordinate over the last couple of months several major cleanups, and that's where most of the plastic is coming from for the piece that we're building in Bruges.
We've found shovels, toilet seats, kids' bowls, hangers. We've even found car bumpers. It's quite amazing.
We've done a couple of things with plastic as a material. We built a cloud on Governor's Island in New York out of 1 hour's worth of plastic waste, 53,780 plastic bottles. We did another piece called Drop in Sao Paulo, Brazil, that was 8 minutes worth of plastic waste in Brazil. We brought all the plastic that we found and sourced, cleaned it, and started to assemble it here in upstate New York. We've done all of the steel work, all of the aluminum, and all of the plastic work in this 2,000 square foot lot. And what you're looking at basically are two halves of the whale that we'll bring together. Everything you can think of, we've used and attached this mesh. The skyscraper is almost 4 stories tall, weighs several tons, and it's cantilevering off of its base. So there's a tremendous amount of engineering that's gone into keeping it stable and safe. Right now, there's 150 million tons of plastic swimming in the ocean, our oceans, the oceans we share. Pound for pound, that's more plastic waste swimming in the ocean than there is whales. So an opportunity like this to show the type of plastic and the amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans is really important.
Almost 8 million tons of plastic each year pollute our waters, endangering and killing marine life. We hope that the size and scale of Skyscraper illustrates just how large a problem we're facing with plastic in our oceans, and we hope to raise awareness on a global scale for this issue.
They estimate about 2 or 3 million people will come to see it. I hope that they learn about consumption and about what we use and how we use it. The first skyscraper in the sea is a whale, so this massive whale pushing out of the water became the object and the focus of how to talk about this issue.
The city of Bruges has really gotten behind us to try and help bring this ambitious project to life.
But it will take all of us working together to change the way we use and dispose of plastic in order to stop the waste flowing into our oceans.